Have you ever observed badass performers who consistently perform at their peak levels no matter what? No matter the challenges, no matter the obstacles. And surprisingly, they don't even reduce the speed. They maintain the speed of the progress. So how are they able to do that? What's the secret? And the biggest secret is there is no secret. All these peak performers have trained their brain to actually perform at their absolute best, even in those worst situations, by actually pushing them to perform at their best again and again. And when they are doing this, what they are actually doing is strengthening their neural circuits related to those experiences, letting their brain create pathways. And when your brain creates pathways, it becomes habit, it becomes automatic, and you do it subconsciously. It becomes a second nature. So my question to you is this: do you want to perform at your absolute best even when you are at your worst? If yes, train your brain.